What I'm going to be showing you guys today is everything I received in my free package from Nadine West. And also I'm going to be giving you some tips on how you can be a cover girl for Nadine West and also get a package. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamaica Janelle. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell for notifications so you don't miss an upload. You are probably here today because you read the caption of the video to see how you can get a free Nadine West package. Yep, that's right, all items for free. What I'm going to be showing you guys today is everything I received in my free package from Nadine West, and also I'm going to be giving you some tips on how you can be a cover girl for Nadine West and also get a package. The first things I'm going to show you are these. I'm actually going to pair a lot of the items in my bag together. These really cute green shorts, just love this color. And I'm pairing it with this blue floral shirt, and it also has this little green accent from the flowers and the red. And I'm pairing it really well together because, I mean, just looks really good together. The colors match perfectly. Then the next item that I'm going to show you guys, I'm pairing it with the same pair of green pants. And I'm pairing these two together just because I like the way it looks. It's a really flirty look to it. The shirt is really beautiful. I love the color. I love the way it looks together. The lace at the bottom of the shirt, I think it gives it like a nice classy look to it. This shirt is 100% rayon, and in the contrast of the shirt is in polyester. The next item that I want to show you guys from my package are these shorts. These shorts are really cute. It's something that you can probably do at-home workouts in. You can chill in, relax in, sleep in. You know, I don't really have much to say about them. They're really cute. They look good on too. Really, really pretty romper. Now, I can say a lot about this romper. So the first thing I want to talk about is the color of it. This purple lavender color is just gorgeous. The sleeves, how the sleeves aren't necessarily connected like a normal sleeve. It's right here on the halter of it. So I just love the way it looks. Like, doesn't that look just beautiful? This is like my favorite outfit from it all. This one is 100% rayon. It's from Miley and Molly. Miley plus Molly. I've never heard of that brand before, but definitely want to check them out too. Leggings. There's not too much to say about these leggings. They're just really nice and stretchy, perfect for working out. They are polyester, so they are stretchy. They also have a slight mesh on the front of them, so it gives it a different style. And then the shirt that I'm wearing with it is this, a beautiful pink tank top shirt. It says love, I think. Yeah, it says love. And it's from Hippie Chick. The next item that I want to show you is this really pretty long halter dress in the color blue. This dress is amazing. My favorite feature of this dress are the pockets. I can just slip my hands right in there. Pockets, it's absolutely adorable. I love the color. And I'm also, in this dress, I'm also wearing it with the necklace that I received in my package as well, and I just thought it paired well together, so I just wanted to put it on. Jewelry pieces. The next pair that they put in my package are these earrings, and I just was really excited to wear them, so I just put them on with my current outfit. This shirt, this denim shirt, is also from Nadine West. My stylist put it in my previous box from last week, and this is how I'm styling it today. Just really basic. Really basic look. Let me know what you guys think about these items. Just go ahead and post a comment below on which items you liked, what items you didn't like, anything. I want to go ahead and get into how you can become a Nadine West cover girl like myself. On Facebook, what you have to do is A, follow Nadine West's Facebook page. B, take photos of yourself in your Nadine West best and post it under the usually they like for you to post it underneath the Nadine West winner. So Nadine West will have the winner, and then you just comment your picture underneath, and so Nadine West will select a winner from that post, if that makes sense. And I'll show you everything on the side here. So that's how you do it. My recommendation, so you can be seen, is to just have clear images. You don't necessarily have to get dolled up completely, and just have fun with it. Just have fun with it. That's it. Just have fun. And a lot of times what I did, I don't know if this helped, but anytime I was wearing something from Nadine West, I would tag them. I would tag them in on Facebook, and I would tag them on Instagram. So those are the things that I did to be selected as Nadine West Cover Girl. This was my free package. My package from last week was my 4th package. So it took 4 packages to get noticed and receive a free package. So you could be next. And I'm not sponsored by Nadine West in any way. However, if Nadine West is hearing this or is watching this, I would absolutely love to be a part of the team. Just putting that in there. If you have not signed up for Nadine West, all you have to do is go to the link in the description box, sign up. You get $10 off of your first purchase or your first package, and you get free shipping. So go ahead and check out that link, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.